The first step is to open Cetec ERP and click Accounting. Click Reports. Click Budget. Click Create New. Type a name for your budget. Click Create. A list of GL accounts will be populated on the screen where you can set your dollar values. Here's the total balance of that account. You can set a from and to date for your budget. Click Update. You can also set a Show History date. Click Update. Click Populate. The Populate button will default values differently based on accounts. For assets and liabilities, it will use the total balance. Balance sheet typically is less useful. For all other accounts, equities, revenue, expense, other income, and expense, Cetec will use the delta to generate a value. You can also view by quarter, month, and week. That's it. You're done.